shitting. Sitting. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video for you because it is my room tour video. I'm actually in my dorm room at the moment, so it's actually like a condo type. So I'm planning to do 3 parts. So the first part, which you're watching right now, is actually gonna be the overall of the room, which is gonna consider all 3 rooms. And the second one that I'm gonna upload is gonna be my bedroom, and finally my what's in my shower. So yeah, if you're interested in any of those in specific, you can go ahead and look at those videos. Basically, the reason that I want to film this is because I am actually moving, sadly. So I feel like I'm gonna miss living here a lot, and because I decided to film, I decided to clean up my room and make it look really nice. And guess what? Now that I look at it, I don't want to leave. But yeah, I just want to document every single space that I've lived in because I just love reminiscing, and I'm just gonna keep meddling. So without further ado, let's go to the video. Oh hey, come in. Come on in. So this is my dorm room, sort of, and I sort of have 2 rooms. So the area that you're in right now is actually my living room slash my tiny kitchen, and the other room over there is actually my bedroom, and behind there is my restroom slash shower. So I'm gonna start with my favorite corner right here. So in this area, I have displayed like all of my nice things for aesthetic reasons, like my shelves that it can change its color, and these are like some of the pictures that I took with my friend. Here I have my favorite like teacup from Disneyland, from Beauty and the Beast, and you can actually use this, but I used it once and I was too scared of it getting stained, so I decided like to leave it for display. Yeah, some like unicorn because I love unicorn. This golden spoon from Japan. This pencil from my cinematography teacher. Moving on down here, I'm trying to go for like a plant theme vibe. I like one of my dreams is to own a Dachshund dog, so I have it right here, and you're supposed to plant things. And I like thing is this. Okay, moving on to my left. So yeah, welcome to my room tour. This thing is where like I like to use for some videos, and this I stole from my friend Sony. Thanks Sony if you're watching this. This I painted myself. I got inspired by one of the magazine, and this is fake plants that I actually carried all the way from Dubai, and I didn't know that we have it in Bangkok as well. So yeah, duh, stupid. Yeah. This area is so cute. It has like some candles and mirrors. This one is really soft. And oh my gosh, this one is the room diffuser or something from Dictique. It smells amazing, like jasmine. My favorite perfume from Jo Malone, etc. And down here are some like documents. But these are some of like the books that I use because I love to do daily agenda. So now let's move on to like my kitchen area, right? I have a fridge which I really didn't like the color. It was like this ugly green. So I've got this marble stickers and I decided to stick some on it. And this is what in my fridge. I don't have a lot of food. I just went to Starbucks and like some old stuff from Disneyland over a year ago, and you know, like almond milk, chia seed, and this is my favorite almond. So as I was saying, my friend got me this froyo machine from like for my birthday. You can actually use frozen fruit, and it's really healthy actually because you don't add any like, you know, fatty stuff. And this is the mugs that I really like. I store some Ziplocs and little bits and bobs there. You know, the general like kitchen little stuff. And up here I'm really proud of my cups collection. Actually I have like plates and stuff, and like this is like one of my favorite mugs, and it's because I don't believe in humans. Yeah, so yeah, so proud of my cup collection. I'm a little bit crazy about, you know, collecting mugs. And here I stocked some more stuff which smells really bad, so let's close that. And in this area, my mom invented this like power thingy, which I can use for like all of this. The room actually didn't come with any of these, but like yeah, my mom decided to put these here, like microwave, small oven I guess, and then coffee maker, tea maker, and then like my tea stuff. And I need this because I love drinking tea so much. I always have to have water and Advil because I'm like have migraine all the time, and always like a cup of water. So yeah, and this is the area that I like to spend most time, like, you know, just like shitting sitting and like doing my work here because it's far away from my bed. Although I have my sofa right here, which I'm gonna take you to. In this area is, you know, where my friends like to come and stuff. It's not the softest or anything, but I mean, it has like a nice, you know, lie down space here when you're working. This is my favorite like thing ever from IKEA. I use it a lot, like, yeah, to watch a movie even. So yeah, it's really, really cool. This is my laptop, which always stays here usually. Now let's talk about this coffee table. So yeah, this is supposed to be like a fruit tray, and this is my tissues, my favorite speakers, which I did a video about. And down here I installed some like gel nails, which I never do because I go to the nail place, and some like electronic device down here. So yeah, that's it for this main room, but now we're gonna take a look at the shower room. So yeah, one of the lights is broken, that's why it's dark, but here is how it looks like. I really don't like it, so I don't really want to show it. I'm gonna have a separate video on what's in my shower. So yeah, I just have like some tools here and the usual. Like if you're interested in this room, then you can go check out my other video for what's in my shower. Not sure which one is gonna be up first, but now let's move on to my bedroom. It's my favorite. So in this area is actually the walk-in closet, which you can see a little bit, but I haven't tidied, so I'm not going to show you. I got this for videos actually. I have like huge shelves here, which are for like some of my bags and, you know, stationery stuff. And my makeup are here. So these are some of like the nice cute one, like all of these are the cushions that I like Pokemon's one and Gudetama, and you know, like nice lipsticks and stuff. And the one I actually really use is actually this way. The skincare I use are right here. Actually, I used to put them in the shower, but those one ran out, so I've been using these ones. And this one is my daily makeup, so that's what I use every single day. Gonna do a separate video on that because it's gonna take forever, but like this is where I store my Pandora and some like watches. And okay, now let's move on to my bed. So I'm on my bed and I love this bed so much. I never have slept better than, I don't know what I'm saying. Basically what I'm saying is I really love this bed because it's king size. And yeah, I really love it. It's so nice. I proudly present you my letter K and my fairy lights, which I didn't even bother to hang it properly. These are my lovely dolls. Okay, I have names for some of them actually. That one is Cupcake. It's my favorite. I got her from Las Vegas and she actually has a passport. And that one is her daughter. That's Pudding. Or is it the Cupcake Junior? I'm gonna have a separate video on this bedroom, so I'm not gonna waste time talking about it much. Just gonna show you like quickly around everything in this room, I guess, starting from this carpet. So yeah, it's really cute. It's like a Cinderella carpet thing. Like if you come here, you can see my lamps, and this is like where they have the Wi-Fi. They have some drawers down here. I have a printer here, and those are like giveaways. And there are two more things in this room. There's this table right here. So yeah, this is sort of my mood board, dream board of things that I want to do and the quotes that I like. I use this to store my stationery. And finally, the final part of the room is the TV. I used to use it a lot, but then like when Netflix happened, I kind of forgot about him. So yeah, they really like this. It's from my school, remote control, perfumes, and of course my filming equipment like my lights, tripods, and things like that. So now I'm gonna actually show you the room, how it looks like when the lights are off. Thanks so much for joining me today and for coming to visit my room, but you can go check out my other videos for more detail. But for today, I gotta say bye. We'll see you next time. Please subscribe and like this video because I'm having a giveaway and the rule is so simple, which will be linked down below. This is the prize.